Hello friends! Welcome back again to Digital Era. For today's video ay i-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-remove or tanggalin ang ating mga nickname sa ating mga Facebook account. But before we get started, please don't forget to support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. So without further ado, let's get started. So from here, open lang natin yung ating Facebook account. And then if ever na hindi pa tayo nakalagin, so mag-login lang tayo using our username and then password. And then punta tayo sa ating Facebook profile. As you can see, nakalagay dito yung aking nickname which is Attorney Ana Marie Cruz. So yan po yung i-delete natin ngayon. So itap natin ngayon sa edit profile. And then, madadirect tayo sa page na ito. Scroll down natin sa may lower part. I-tap natin sa Edit Your About Info. Alright, so from here guys, under Other Names, makikita natin dito yung nickname na nilagay natin before. So, meron tayo choices dito sa lower part. So, i-tap lang po natin yung Delete Name. Alright, so ganun lang po kadali guys, mag-delete ng nickname sa ating mga Facebook account. I-refresh natin ngayon, mag-go back tayo, and then i-refresh natin yung ating account. As you can see guys, natanggal na po yung ating nickname na Attorney Ana Marie Cruz. Alright? So ganun lang kadali magtanggal ng nickname sa ating mga Facebook account. Alright, so if you have any other questions, suggestions, recommendations regarding this video, feel free to send me a message down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Agyaman. See you on my next vlog. Bye!